guys, welcome back. Man is pulling a lot of wood, huh? That little boat must be so strong to pull all this weight. And the water is moving too, as well, you know? Moving water, moving boat, with moving wood. The last piece. It's all the way there. I don't want to lose my phone, you know. Imagine your phone falling off there, you know. Construction goes on here every day, every year, every month. 365 days a year. Sometimes they even work at Saturday and Sunday. I mean, I wouldn't have worked. That means you're paying more taxes than you earn. The government is gonna say, we need money from you. So that's why I'm a little bit chilled, you know, when it comes to overtime. I don't need it.